Hi, it's Jodi. I'm here today to tell you all about Stampin' Up's SALE-a-Bration promotion that is July 1st through August of 2022. So you might not be familiar with the fact that Stampin' Up now does 2 SALE-a-Bration promotions every year. For as long as I've been a demonstrator, which is over 20 years, we've had the one in January at the beginning of the year, but now we also have one in the summer. And so today I just want to tell you all about the SALE-a-Bration options and how you can get the items in this catalog for free. So let's go ahead and get started. How this works is that when you order, you get free products as a bonus, just an extra little perk. So you see right here, it says free with a $50 purchase. So this is the Hippos. This is one free option. So if you place a $50 order, you could choose this stamp set or other things in the catalog. Here's another one that coordinates with this. These are the Hippo dies. And it shows you here in the catalog some samples. And I've got a few of my own because I've participated in some card swaps. So first, here's the stamp set, some cute little hippos with some very clever sayings, and then the coordinating dies. And then I'll just show you a few samples that I got. Again, these were created by other demonstrators and I received them in a card swap that I recently did. So this is super cute. The little details of the pink in her cheeks and the fingernail area. So that's a cute one. This one here, you'll see that there's some specialty paper in the background. We're going to talk about that in a moment. And then this one here, again, with some new designer paper that we'll talk about in a moment too. So those are some hippest hippo samples. Each of these are free with $50 order. So if you did a $100 order, you could get both of those if you'd like to. The next option is this Rings of Love designer paper. It's 12 by 12. I'm going to pull it in here and just show you the different patterns. As with all of our designer paper, they're double-sided, and there's 2 patterns of each. So you'll see 2 of this pattern, but there are different ones on the back. So I'm just going to show you each side. So you've got some fun plaid, the flowers. This you'll recognize from this card here. This one is nice for fall. And then let's see what's on the back of that. Some more leaves. This one, let me turn it this way so you can see better. With the birds, you're going to see this again. And flip it over. Just a little wash on the back. These homes. Very cute. Oh, that's a pretty medallion. The little mushrooms. This one almost looks like it could be Christmas, doesn't it? And the rings of the tree. And then the last one, let's flip that around, oops, is some trees this way. So again, that is called Rings of Love. And that one happens to, I'm trying to find places to set things here. That one happens to coordinate with this stamp set in our new mini catalog. So a bonus, this holiday, July to December mini catalog also just started. And this is the stamp set, Ringed with Nature. That's actually a bundle on page 62 in that mini catalog. But this paper coordinates with it. So I love that they do that, that they give you some free options. Now, you don't have to use that paper with that bundle, obviously, because you can see it right here. But you can. It coordinates nicely with that bundle, and that's what some of these samples here show you. So I just wanted to pull in a couple more samples that were made with that designer paper. This one here. And then this is the one with the birds. And I love how they took this and just flipped it up so you could see the back of that sheet of designer paper. So very creative use there. Okay, let's keep moving. The pool party and soft seafoam cards and envelopes is another option with the $50 purchase. And this is 20 cards. So you've got the seafoam and the pool party with those patterns. And they're just blank inside, but just a card base that you can start with. And then there's some decorative envelopes. So it's got some decoration on the outside and then that liner on the inside. So it's a package of 20 note cards and envelopes. That is a free option with the $50 order. Then we have Stylish Sketches, and that is this stamp set here. And here is an example for you. They added some of that ringed designer paper from the one I just shared. So it's nice how these all work together. Now we've got the silver and gold. Should have pulled this right out of the package for you. One moment. This is 6x6 paper, and there are some gold lines, gold polka dots, silver lines, and silver polka dots. You might remember this card here. I said we'd talk about the specialty paper in a moment. That's from this right here, the silver and gold designer paper. So again, just using the different products together. This is a package of 24 sheets and free with a $50 order. Amazing Phrases. Where did that go? Oh, you know what? It was right here on my table to show you, but then I used it to do a project. So I'll just pull it up closer. It's got 17 different stamps in here, different greetings. So many great samples shown to you right here. I'm just going to pull in a couple more I got. This one is that gold specialty paper here, and then the greeting here. And then this one I thought was really creative. This is a Halloween card, but it uses the Hey Good Lookin' from this stamp set, so that's fun. All right, let's keep going. The Tree Lot dies. Now, Tree Lot dies are fun. They coordinate with the Trees for Sale, another stamp set that is in the holiday July to December catalog. So Trees for Sale, super cute stamp set. You can see some samples over here, but these dies coordinate with that stamp set. So you can see these dies. There's 24 dies. This is free with a $100 order. The way that you know that is because this little symbol right here switched from 50 to 100. So this is an option that you get for free with a $100 order. And here is a card sample for you. Again, the brochure, the catalog itself shows so many great samples here. And then the last option, also with a $100 order, is a bundle. So you get the Wonderful Word stamp set as well as the coordinating designer paper. Now, you'll notice that these are not all full 12 by 12 sheets, and that's because I used this one for the swap that I did. So there might be some little random pieces that I show you. Well, this is super teeny tiny, isn't it? Oh, that's the same as this one. Okay, we'll be okay then. And I'm just going to flip through some of these with that in the back. This one has bigger flowers, which are really pretty. In the back. This one's a little bit smaller and busier, which I like for backgrounds. Here's the back of that, some yellow stripes. This one is a gorgeous one with pink flowers. I think we did that one. And those are the tulips. These tiny ones, and then some pink on the back. And of course, I've got some samples to show you with this one. So you've got some designer paper and the stamp on that card. This one is very fun too. And this I just like, just the white without the designer paper. It's a completely different look. That embossed line around the edge is a fun addition. This is the swap that I did. So you can see I used a lot of that designer paper, which is why I had some scraps. Again, a different look. I love that die on there. And this one too. So there's a lot of great options this year for our July and August SALE-a-Bration promotion, which is super exciting. One other thing I wanted to mention. When you host or just place a $300 order. Maybe it's just you, maybe it's you and a couple friends putting orders together. But when it gets to $300, you're also going to get this perfect pomegranate stamp set for free, in addition to whatever choices you made from back here. So that's just another little bonus. And then there is another special offer with our starter kit. So when you join my team during July or August for just $99, you choose $125 in product. Up to you which products. Shipping is free, and you get this bonus making plans collection. I'm going to do a whole separate video on that, but just know this is a great value add-on bonus that you can get during SALE-a-Bration. So I will share some links with you so that you can get right to my online store and see all of these options here. And I'll definitely continue to share some different card samples to inspire your creativity. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.